Continuing on our series on how to keep your staff busy, here are some cleaning and maintenance tasks for your bar staff. With the closures of dining rooms due to the COVID-19 pandemic, your bar and beverage services have undoubtedly seen a reduction as well. As many businesses look to utilize PPP funding to bring their staff back to work, and with the reality that many will be unable to have their patrons physically inside their operations, bar staff everywhere have a unique opportunity to do some deep cleaning on their bars. We've teamed up with the food service experts on our contract and design team, many of whom used to work on the front lines of restaurant operations. We've compiled a list of projects that you can start on right now. Consider putting your bar staff to work on these tasks. Clean the soda gun and holster. Review the proper procedure to do so, and take a look at the holster. This is often overlooked during regular daily cleanings. Inspect the product lines and clean where needed. In the back, pull the syrup boxes out and give that area a good scrub too. How's the organization look back there? Need to change out how you prioritize your backstop? Now's the perfect time to do that. Clean the ice machines and ice bins. Remove all the ice and clean and sterilize the bins. Run your cubers through their clean cycles. Check the water lines and the filtration system and blow dust off the condenser coils. If you do use a cocktail unit or an ice chest instead, these should also be cleaned thoroughly. Clean under your bar sinks. Wipe down the undersides and the water supply lines. Clean the back wall and the pedestal legs too. Clean the floor drains and the drain lines to them and replace anything if it's cracked or needs replacing. Fill the basins with water and check for leaks. Give the sinks a nice polish to have them looking like brand new again. Scrub the back bar and bottle coolers. Remove all the product and clean the shelving. Check the seals on the doors and replace the gaskets if needed. Pull the doors off the top of your bottle coolers and clean the tracks inside. Tighten hinges, handles, and glass rails on swing doors. Blow dust off of the condenser coils. Lubricate the cylinder door locks if you use those, and remove and clean any external bar rails and bottle openers. Inspect the drain lines to clean and repair those as needed too. Clean beer towers, faucets, and lines. Remove the beer faucets, dismantle them, and clean all the components. Inspect the washers and seals and replace any that are cracked. Check the tower shanks too. Inspect and prepare the beer lines for long-term storage if you're not going to be serving beer for a while. And run cleaner through the drain lines of your drip trays. Clean the walk-in cooler where your kegs are stored. Move the kegs away from the wall and clean the entire cooler. Wipe down the beer lines. Wipe down any syrup accumulation around those lines, on the couplers, on the fobs, on the pumps. Reorganize where the kegs are, but make sure you label any changes you've made so your staff will know where things are now. Take a look up at the ceiling and clean that too. Clean the cover of the light bulb, blow off the fans, and check the evaporator coils outside. See if they need a good blow too. Clean your product merchandisers. Clean out the track shelving. Replace any worn product signage. Clean the glass on the doors and check the door gaskets for any cracks. Seize today and clean your bar. A super clean restaurant will leave a lasting impression when your customers come back. And remember, if you applied for PPP through the CARES Act, the labor costs for these improvements may be forgiven by Uncle Sam. If you have any questions or need any supplies, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're still here and we're ready to help you. To reach us, visit our website at starfoodequipment.com or call us at 1-800-594-9434.